Let's review the Tamiya 124 scale Mercedes CLK GTR. It's a clear body kit, which I understand they're pretty rare, but it is a Tamiya kit. So let's see what we've got in this package. I already know because I broke into it prior, but just so you know, get a full decal sheet. I don't know about this. I don't know if that's going. Nah, I don't know if I'm even use these. Nice instructions and decal placement with the markings. This is not a sponsored video because I don't have any sponsors and I don't have any patrons and I don't have any extra finances and yeah, fully explained. Oh, not to mention it's got a full engine, detailed engine. Look at that. I can't even. This is beyond my skill level. I'm probably not even going to be able to complete it. Look at this. The tint on that glass is amazing. It's like a bronze smoke color. Here's the clear body. I bet you can get this kit with you know, your regular styrene body, whatever, but honestly I don't think I'm gonna build it with clear. Probably gonna paint it. I mean, it is, I don't even know how you would approach painting clear plastic. Is it styrene? I don't know. Tire decals and stuff are all inside. It's all protected. It's nice. I haven't taken anything out, but yeah, these for plastic stock kit wheels, these are not bad. And the tires are awesome too. They already look like they're scuffed up. I gotta remove the mold line, but man, they look like they're nice and scuffed already. Full detailed engine, super sweet suspension. I mean, if I wanted to go all out, I could probably remove all this stuff and put springs and like actual springs in there, make coilovers. But even the brake rotors and calipers, they're so nice. That's what you get with a Tamiya kit. 100% awesomeness. I love it. Every Tamiya kit I've ever built has been nothing but fun. You don't sit back and you're like, I gotta get mad at. Oh, even the front suspension's awesome too. There's a little bit of flashing on the exhaust, but I've been looking at this thing and I don't see much flashing or any mold lines that I'm gonna have to get rid of, which is just irritating, especially when you're building tanks and stuff. I don't know, but I've heard. Full detailed cockpit. These must be the doors. I don't even know what the hell that is. Oh, the wing. The wing irritates me because it's not clear. On the body, on the package, you can clearly see it's clear. Look, look. It's a clear wing. I could see completely through it. I thought I was going to get a clear wing. Disappointment. Denied. Yeah, really a nice, it's just a nice kit. There was some photo etch parts in it. Oh, you got the window masts for painting the wind trim. Because you have to do that. You have to airbrush it. What the hell was I saying? Oh, I took the photo etch parts. Some of them. Oh. What's this? What's the... What? What? Another decal set. Probably going to build it just this and paint it some color, but... Anyways, that was it. Clear body. Sweet clear body. I never actually bought a clear body before until I opened this one. I was like, I'll take a gamble. It's not a big deal. I bought it at a model show for a decent price. I'm not going to tell you what it was. But I thought it was a decent price for this kit, especially being Tamiya. So, having said that, I like these DTM racers. There's a lot of detail in them, and like, subscribe, and comment, because if you want to see this one finished, you'll want to subscribe.